Hey Starlighters, I am Jonah Simmons, the founder and creator of Starlight Shane Pictures, and also known as Starlight Shane from the Genie of Zara May Fall Starlight Shane, and of course, as some may call me, and of course, how my best buddy Jackson would call me, Big Spingle Jingles. And for today, we are going to be doing a puppet introduction. Now, I do apologize if I haven't done a puppet unboxing stream on it, but when I get my next one, in one day, I will promise sincerely to do it. And of course, as you guys read the title, yep, that's right, you guys guessed it. And of course, it is my very first puppet from DMPCreative, also known as Dave Privet. And of course, I'm going to show it to you guys right now, and here he is. Just trying to get him on here, because of how long it is. But okay, here he is. It's Baby Beethoven the Giraffe from Baby Beethoven, Numbers Nursery, Baby Galileo, and Discovering Shapes. And yeah, I recently got this from Dave today, and yeah, I gotta say, this is my very first Privet puppet that I've ever gotten. And as you guys can see, we have the eyes, we have his triangle nose, we have his reddish pink mouth, the yellow rings around the eyes, we have the horns, we have the ears, and we have the dark orange airbrushed spots. We have his tuxedo with the purple bow tie, which is obviously made of foam, and his golden yellow tummy that he also has. And yeah, to be honest, I really do love how this puppet is well made, to be honest. Like, by far, by all means, I will say, this is probably the best Privet puppet that I've ever gotten. And of course, I want to give a huge shout out to Dave Privet for making this puppet. I mean, I know it took 2 months of a wait for him to arrive, but luckily, I was really patient and letting him take his time. So, Dave Privet, if you're watching this video, thank you ever so much for this puppet, and I'm going to do my very best to have him being taken care of, and especially with taking care of him the best way I can. And I really love how the eyes and the ears and the horns and the spots are designed. Like, it's just amazing. Like, it's obviously, like, gosh, wow. Like, I really am impressed with this. Oh yeah, and also, I almost forgot to show you guys, inside the puppet, if I can show it, hold on. We have DP, which are initials for Dave Privet, and, for another bonus, I also gotten the instructions from Dave, for this note right here. I'm gonna try to block the emails I can, because I don't want that to be leaked. But anyways, and of course, we got it right here, we got, the Peppy Polar Bear on the photo, and of course, we got the instructions here, which I quote: "Never leave me out in the direct sunlight. It hurts my fabric and will cause my colors to fade. Never handle me with dirty hands. My colors are nice and bright. Let's keep them that way. I can be washed by hand, cold water only, air dry only if possible. Remove my stuffing first. Don't pull on my eyes. That hurts. DMPCreative." And of course, we got Enjoy, Dave. And of course, I know it's a little bit of a short introduction, but I am obviously going to say I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. Design-wise, I think that this Beethoven is possibly my favorite of the Privet puppets I've ever gotten. So, Dave Privet, thank you ever so much for this puppet. I really am going to enjoy it, and it really made my day that I finally got the puppet. And of course, I want to thank you for letting Mr. Jonah Simmons, also known as Starlight Shane, bring me into his nice, loving home. Thank you, Beethoven. You're very welcome. But anyways, but yeah, thank you all very much for watching this introduction, and I really do hope you guys will like this video immensely, because this has been a really big accomplishment for me, and I'm really going to enjoy using him. So if you guys like this video, please be sure to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification icon to get notified with new videos coming from Mr. Jonah Simmons, also known as Starlight Shane. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. And until next time, shine on everyone, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye, everybody!